Hi everyone. The particular session in which we are discussing about some skin queries to Dr. Megha Modi. And yes, of course, we're gonna come live together. So I'm waiting for Dr. Megha to join me. मैं आप सबसे यही पूछ रही थी कि how you guys are doing in this COVID-19 sections. सब लोग कर क्या रहे हो और घर पे of course all are getting bored. So what I had tried to bring Dr. Megha Modi and yeah, so just let me add her. I have like loads of questions. मतलब लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारे questions भेजे हैं. To be honest, मैंने कल ही post डाला था. And thank you so much all the entire social sites की उनकी help से बहुत सारे questions मेरे पास इकट्ठा हुए हैं. So first of all, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि lockdown के duration में आप अपना time कैसे spend कर रहे हो? What are you doing in lockdown session?
Yeah, actually, first and the most important is household chores. And the next, I'm looking after studies of my children. I'm
Okay.
looking for my health also, like I'm going for physical workout. I'm getting
Okay.
time for that.
Okay.
And I'm also reading a lot. I'm also attending webinars,
Okay.
both for coronavirus as well as for dermatology and cosmetology.
That's super because due to this lockdown, we are having a time so that we can interact with our family members. We can play with the children. So we are having in our home. So social
Important.
interactions we can go for. Like we are having time for our family also. So यहाँ पे
Yeah.
बहुत बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास आए थे तो पहले हम कोविड-19 से शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज इट इज द ओनली टॉपिक विच इज डिस्कसिंग अमंग द पीपल्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. आप स्ट्रीट से भी बाहर जाते हो या फिर आप कहीं भी जाते हो तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन अगर कोई भी पूछता है तो यही होता है कि कोरोना के कितने केसेस हो गए हैं. सो दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन विच वी आर गेटिंग. सो फाइनली पहला क्वेश्चन जो मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, आप व्हाट शुड यू डू टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम कोविड-19? ये लोगों के क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास है कि हम कोविड-19 से कैसे बच सकते हैं. लाइक बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स ने भी हमें सजेस्ट करा है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने भी सजेस्ट करा है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कि क्या ऐसे प्रिकॉशंस है जो लेने चाहिए?
First is we should stay safe at home. We should go out just for most urgent purposes. And other thing is personal hygiene. That is of utmost importance. We should wash, not only wash hands, but we should wash it in correct way also. We should give proper time. Like it is said that we should give at least 20 seconds for a proper hand wash. We should cover all the aspects of our hands. Like we should do like this, then this. In
Yeah, two
between
minutes hand
the
wash.
finger. We
That
should
is yeah.
follow all the steps. These are the 7 steps of hand washing that you can find like on the internet as well. That we should cover all these areas like between fingers, tips of the fingers, thumb. Many times we leave the thumb, wrist. That is very important to cover all the parts of our hand. Second is use of mask. See, initially it was like that mask should be used only by sick, but now it is like everyone should use mask while going out at least,
Yeah.
so that not only we protect ourselves, but we should protect others also. Whether we use handmade mask or surgical mask or N95, but we should use
We should.
mask. That is important. And the use of mask should be in correct way. Like before putting on mask, we should wash our hands. That is very important because many times if just put on mask, we don't wash our hands and then we put on mask. We should
And
first wash our hands, then put on mask. Second important is because we are not used to putting on mask every time, so we can touch the mask. That should not be done.
yeah,
Okay, we
that's
should
what
not
people
put
are
on
doing. They
mask.
are touching their mask from this side, like for the upper side
Yeah,
of that particular areas. So this is
yeah.
really
You should
not.
hold it from the bands.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Other
Yeah.
thing, it should cover nose as well as mouth properly. It should form
Yeah.
like a C. है ना?
Yeah.
Otherwise, there is no use. If the mask is below your nose, and other important people remove mask and keep it here on the neck. That should
Really
not be
nice.
done. That is also very important.
एंड यहाँ पे बहुत
Okay.
सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं हमसे. हेलो मुस्ताक सर, हाउ आर यू? एंड कुणाल मेरे साथ में है यहाँ पे. हेलो कुणाल. पवन मेरे साथ में है. ऑल ऑफ यू, जो जिन जिन के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हैं. सो वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू वाचिंग अस लाइव. एंड एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये था कि हाउ लाइकली वी आर हैविंग चांसेस टू कैच कोविड-19. हाउ लाइकली वी आर.
See, at present, I would like to say everyone is having equal chance of getting COVID-19.
Yeah.
Everyone is likely to get infected. So we should be extra cautious.
Yeah, exactly. This is what we should be with the mask. And people are thinking if they are wearing mask, they are very much okay with the things. They will not.
No, mask is not at all providing 100% protection. Not
Exactly.
at all.
You should also use your hygienic purposes, and you should clean your hands with proper hygiene.
While going out for emergency purposes like for milk and vegetables, we can keep few things in our mind, like we can leave our footwears outside our home. Second is if you are for any reasons, if you are going to some public place where there is some people, then you can put your clothes after coming home. You should put your clothes immediately in hot water and detergent. You should not reuse those clothes and all. You should carry least belongings with you. No wristwatch, no belts. We should tie our hairs and all if you are at public places. So that you are least exposed. That is very important.
So these are the major steps which Dr. Megha is talking about that. So you guys can follow those steps and prevent yourself from coronavirus. And this is the invisible enemy, we can say that. And we will be really, one day we will be really outcome of this particular virus, and that's our hope. So people are asking, लोगों ने पूछा है यहाँ पे कि are animals are responsible for that? Do you say that कि animals इसके लिए responsible हैं?
Though this virus resembles the bat originated this coronavirus, but there is no such established reports for this, that the similar virus is infected. It is a mutant kind of virus.
Yeah. So we can't.
Now there are various theories, but those are only speculations, like it is man-made virus, or we cannot comment.
Some people are saying it has been spread by the bats. Some are saying that it has been in the Chinese in the China, in any laboratory they had made something kind of. So there are loads of myths, or I don't know, whatever we can say.
So we all are looking for the final results of the researchers for this virus.
Yeah, okay. Exactly.
And I saw one question about hand sanitizer. I think how should we protect ourselves from this? Like, what precaution should we take with this alcohol-based sanitizer? See, one thing at present, we are also having some alcohol-free sanitizers in the market, but those are not recommended at present. See, alcohol-based sanitizers are only advised for prevention of coronavirus. For taking care of our hands, we should use moisturizers frequently, so that due to evaporation of alcohol, our hands get dehydrated. So we should put on moisturizer as frequently as possible. We can also avoid extra use of soap, like we can wear gloves while washing our clothes or washing our utensils. So that precaution we can take. Otherwise, sanitizer has to be used. We can minimize the use of sanitizer, like we can use more of soap.
What people are exactly doing, basically women's in our areas, like in the kitchens, they are applying sanitizer and immediately they are going to kitchen for the cooking purposes. So I would like to add on here, don't go after applying sanitizer directly to the kitchens, because it can burn yourself. Yeah, because sanitizer having alcohol or any kind of chemical inside that, so that would be really troublesome if you go inside the kitchen after applying sanitizer. So I wanted to add on here. Okay, fine. So these are the questions which are related with the COVID-19 we have discussed. So further, I am just asking, loads of people are watching us. do you guys, so Dr. Megha Modi's specialization has in the skin problems, so can you go for the skin problem in the comment sections? जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कुणाल देख रहे हैं, and विवेक सर ने join किया था, thank you so much. And now Aditya, thank you so much. Pankaj Gupta, how to control skin related problems occurring due to alcohol based sanitizers? This what?
Yeah,
that's you answered. How to change lips in natural color? This is the question asked by Uttam Tiwari over here.
Yeah. See, again, it is important to use moisturizer. We should not leave our lips dry. And other thing is lip pigmentation is something difficult. Also avoid lip pigmentation is something difficult to treat. But there are certain lightening creams that we can use for lip lightening, and also we use certain lasers for removing the pigmentation of lips.
And my mom has also joined me, so she is asking how to remove dark spots. So can you
dark spots? Okay. See, for prevention of dark spots, especially due to acne, we should avoid this people prick those acne, right?
I also
so we should not do that. Yeah, we should not do that because that will create extra inflammation and will leave more spots. So we should not prick those acne. We should apply sunscreen to prevent pigmentation. And of course, there are certain lightening creams. OTC, over-the-counter products you can get some vitamin C based creams that may help in lightening your skin.
Hello, Santosh sir. How are you? And
I would like to add that you should avoid self-use of especially hydroquinone-based creams and steroid-based creams, because those are like very freely available and people use it for skin lightening purposes, but those are really harmful and should not be used for self-medication. You should use
and here I would like to add on, before 6 months, or I say in the month of August or September, I was having huge pimple on my skin. I was not able to see the mirror. I mean, when I used to take shower and I used to come across the mirror, now I was like, why I am standing over here? So I came into the things ki I am washing my face regularly after applying makeup, because we are the peoples in the industries, or we are doing some kind of events or something. So makeup is really necessary. So I am doing that. So what I am doing on my basis, what I can do is like, I am just, after coming from a party or something, I am washing my face. So would you suggest in some people's, like, they are really allergic towards the makeup, like I am allergic, makeup is like really worst for me. So we can go for something so that we can do makeup also, or we can have a acne prone skin? What would you suggest for that?
Removal of makeup is really important, but we have something like this acetyl alcohol based cleansers and all that you can use for removal of makeup. Okay, for prevention of acne, and those are suitable for sensitive skin as well. And for acne prevention, apart from makeup, you should avoid excessive sweets and dairy products.
Yeah, that's what one question has been asked, कि spicy and sweet food should be avoidable, मतलब खाना नहीं चाहिए या फिर छोड़ ही देना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ? क्योंकि
scientifically it is like no, it's, see, nothing is like you should avoid completely. There is no 100% aversion for anything, but you can avoid excessive sweets and dairy products when we are talking about acne.
Okay. So ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था क्योंकि क्या होता है, स्वीट टूथ सबको ही होता है. लाइक आई एम रियली मच लविंग टुवर्ड्स द स्वीट्स. आई लव ऑल द स्वीट्स, गुलाब जामुन.
Personally, I feel acne is something, it is more of an aesthetic issue. So I never say that you should avoid dairy products completely, because that is an important part of our diet. So that also
how do I get rid of pimples on my back? This was the Aditya Mishra. Okay. So
see, there are certain medications available, like benzoyl peroxide base, that you can apply at night for your back acne. And if it is really severe, then you should consult some dermatologist, because in that case you may be needing certain oral medications as well. And generally we see that acne improves with age, like after 25 years of age, you will see improvement in acne. But nowadays, because of everything is like containing some hormones or something, so we are seeing increasing incidence of acne even at later ages, like 30 plus, 40 plus.
Thank you so much, Pawan uncle. This is really nice to me. He said कि I'm really proud to have Jagriti at front of my house. Actually, he's my neighbor. So thank you so much over here.
Okay.
And यहाँ and यहाँ पे कपिल जी का एक message है. I have some black spot on my face below eyes. I have taken some homeopathy treatment. Please advise me. Like some people are having dark circles inside their
Yeah,
like
so,
eyes. So, yeah.
These days I feel one should cut down screen time. Okay. Screen time.
This is the most I mean बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल वाला काम है लेकिन you should avoid Kapil sir.
Other important aspect is definitely you should have proper sleep, like avoid web series.
And sleep on time.
And diet is really important. You should take iron-rich diet for that. Few people have dark circles, as these are hereditary as well.
Yeah. And most important questions, like all the celebrities you see, like there are loads of celebrities who are going for the plastic surgery. They like on, if I talk about Shilpa Shetty, if I talk about any like Priyanka Chopra, they are having plastic surgery. So what would you suggest? Is it beneficial for our skin? Like plastic surgery is beneficial or not? Like being an individual, should I go for that or not? Like what is your opinion regarding that?
It's very much a personal choice. It's very much a personal choice that whether you want to go for it or not. And it is safe if it is in professional hands, experienced hands.
Any side effect I wanted to ask कि कोई side effect तो नहीं होता स्किन के ऊपर अगर प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के लिए जाते हैं तो?
There can be certain side effects, like you may not like those looks. Disfigurement can be there.
Okay. Yeah, natural is natural, I'll say.
With all surgeries, there can be risk of infections or other side effects, like side effects of anesthesia. So those are other side effects. But it's very much a personal.
And what would you suggest to the Botox? Like people are using Botox to avoid anti-aging. So what you want to suggest for that? Like, is Botox is good kind of injection? Should they take or not? Like, what is your opinion regarding that Botox injection?
See, Botox is a neurotoxin that paralyzes your muscles. Like it weakens your muscles. So in that way, what you see wrinkles, those are actually expression lines. Due to repeated use of muscles, you get it permanently. So with Botox, you can reduce those effects. If given properly, then it won't give you a plastic effect. Yeah. Okay, it won't give you that effect. It will look very natural. Okay. If given properly. Only it will reduce your wrinkles. As you see in few people, you can always see this forehead lines. You can see this crow's feet. Okay, so Botox can reduce those. Again, it's a personal choice.
Personal choice. And here,
otherwise, there is nothing like if it is given again, if it is given properly, that it won't lead to any side effects. Okay.
So here Prem Bhatia sir has joined me. Thank you so much, sir. Nice to see you over here. And यहाँ Agra events, like, hello sir, how are you? And thank you mom, that's really your blessing. And यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने comments किए हैं, मैं सबको thank you बोलना चाहूंगी. And बहुत सारे questions हैं अभी मेरे पास में, like लोगों ने मेरे से ये भी पूछा है कि okay, how can you trust a product is good for your skin or not? Like we are having multiple products in the market. Do you agree? So how can we say that this product is really nice, this product is not good for skin? Some people apply some type of sunscreen, some types of morning creams, night creams. So how can we trust their brands? So that's what the question people has asked.
See, it depends on the contents of the product. See, many products are containing parabens. So generally we can look for paraben-free products for sensitive skin. Otherwise, it is not harmful if you're not very sensitive. Yeah. So it depends on the skin type.
Okay.
how to choose the products. Like you can say one can choose glycolic or salicylic based face wash, but it is suitable for oily skin, not for dry skin. So it depends on individual to individual skin.
And what is the basic routine which men can follow? Like जो मेंस ये सबसे ज्यादा स्किन को लेके विमेन्स ज्यादा चिंता करती हैं कि ये क्रीम रात को लगानी है, मॉर्निंग में लगानी है, ये भी फेस वॉश करना है. मेंस क्या होते हैं, मेंस इतना ज्यादा फेस, बहुत सारे मेंस हैं.
I feel these days men are equally concerned. Equally concerned.
They are equally
What we see
concerned,
at
but
our
they
team.
don't want
Equally.
to, they don't want to apply some products. Now I have seen at my home. If I go now, they are not ready to. They are not ready to apply. Like I am using Nimra. I am using Kama product actually. I'm a very big fan of Kama Ayurveda. So I'm using that Nimra face mask. So when I used to go to any men in my family, now they will just say like, no, I don't want to use it. Like it's okay. मतलब बहुत आलसी होते हैं. तो उनके लिए क्या बेसिक रूटीन follow करना चाहिए?
It's a basic routine is same, just that we have to wash our face twice daily for face. We should use moisturizer after bath, and a moisturizer should be applied immediately after bath, within 3 minutes after bath. Okay, so that is also very important. For men especially, I want to communicate that you should not, if you are facing that ingrown hairs for shaving purpose, you're facing that ingrown hairs or folliculitis, then either you should use a trimmer, or you should not shave very close to your skin. Okay, and you should go in the direction of the hair growth. That is what I would like to add for men especially.
Yeah. So
otherwise, it's a normal skincare routine like face wash, moisturizer. Okay.
Yeah, and from the morning
for oily skin, they can use toner.
From the morning till the night, like what is the basic routine which we have to take care of from the face, like which I am feeling now, like we are into a lockdown right now, so I do not have any kind of pimples on my skin, but regularly if I am moving towards my work, if I am going somewhere in a meeting, I am taking my car to drive to the place, and like and by any chance I'm just exploding towards the air or something, so my skin has like pimples that particular time. Now it is fine. So what would you say कि pimples अवॉइड करने के लिए मॉर्निंग से लेकर रात तक के क्या ऐसे बेसिक स्टेप हैं जो हमें फॉलो करने चाहिए so that our skin should be best in our terms?
Okay, like for acne, when we go out, pollution can be one of the reasons that adds to our problem, and another thing is stress. Stress can also add to acne problem. Okay. For cleansing routine, like you should use a cleanser or a face wash twice daily, at least twice daily, not more than that. Okay. And you can use retinol based creams at night, so that can remove your blockages of glands. Okay, so that will help you to reduce acne.
Okay. So we had discussed about the can.
If you are having very oily skin, then you can use toners.
Yeah.
After face wash.
Yeah. And one more thing which we have discussed, kindly wash your face before sleeping. This is really necessary. I mean, if you're coming to watch from a party,
if you are applying makeup, then it's a must that you should remove your makeup before going to sleep.
That is really important. So should we go for the expensive morning creams, expensive night creams? This is really, I mean, not expensive, I'll say. For the morning creams and night creams, these are necessary for us, like, or we can avoid them for some kind of, like, what do you suggest?
Retinol based creams you can use. Those are not very expensive. There are like n number of creams that are reasonable that you can use.
So this morning cream and night cream, this is really beneficial. You should use that. This is your
you can use.
फाइन. सो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपसे डिस्कस किए मैंने, लेकिन लोगों के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे थे, तो जहां से मैंने कोशिश करा है कि हमारा सेशन जो था 40 मिनट्स का हमने रखना सोचा था, और आई डोंट नो, मतलब क्वेश्चंस इतने सारे हैं कि वी कांट आई मीन मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन और पूछा गया था मुझसे, हाउ कैन यू प्रिवेंट एंटी एजिंग?
If you're sleeping properly, if you're taking proper diet, then again you're going to delay your aging. And otherwise, there are multiple like vitamin C based serums that you can use. It is available freely in the market that are anti-aging as well as lightening, that you can follow as a routine protocol. Okay, retinol based creams will again help in preventing aging.
Really nice. थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर मेघा टू ज्वाइन मी एंड यहाँ पे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे, किसी को कोई डाउट है अगर तो प्लीज मुझसे कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोग पूछिए. वी आर हियर टू आंसर यू. एंड लड़कियों को बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. पिंपल्स के बाद जो मार्क्स होते हैं ना फेस पे, वो रह जाते हैं. लाइक जैसे आपने देखा होगा, पिंपल्स कई बार हो के ठीक हो जाते हैं तो उसके मार्क्स रह जाते हैं फेस पे. तो वो कैसे रिमूव हो सकता है, उसमें क्या मतलब?
Yes. See, there are lightening creams that we give for post-inflammatory pigmentation or post-acne pigmentation, and sunscreen should be used so that you can prevent further pigmentation. Also, there are certain procedures like chemical peelings or microdermabrasion that we commonly call skin polishing that can be used for the removal of acne marks. Those are very helpful to reduce acne marks.
Okay. तो ये सारा केमिकल प्रोसेस हो गया, लेकिन अब हर चीज तो केमिकल प्रोसेस.
Actually, we call it chemical peeling, but those are like glycolic or salicylic acid. Glycolic acid is like sugarcane base, so it's like safe if done properly. कोई issue.
And what are the home remedies you will suggest? Like घर में होता है ना, like मेरी mom, my mom used to do, like she used to always make some kind of a face pack, and she must be watching us, I don't know. So वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ creative face pack लेकर
Yes,
आती
you
है.
can use orange peel mask,
yeah,
or
she
you
used
can
to do what
use
she used to.
curd.
She
Okay,
used to
so
just
that can be used.
yeah, मतलब
Those
वो
are
curd.
helpful actually. Actually,
तो
curd is lactic acid. Okay.
yeah.
What is curd? Curd is containing lactic acid. So we are using those things in more concentrated forms. Okay. If we are using lactic acid, then we are using in higher concentration. What we are using at home is lower concentration. So that can be done. That can be done. Milk you can use.
That is really, I mean, home remedies are really good because they are natural first of all, and they are not having any kind of side effect because they made of natural things. Like turmeric we are using as a face pack. You know, we can call the king as the king from a face pack as a turmeric, I'll say. I don't know, you are a skin doctor, so turmeric बहुत अच्छा माना जाता है face के हिसाब से, मैंने देखा है.
It is good for bones and all, but yes, the thing is like we are not using it in pure forms, na?
Yeah, we're
Nowadays.
not having pure forms. That's what if it is in the pure form, that is really nice. So
One thing I would like to say, sometimes like people are using aloe vera at home. Aloe vera is really good, but you should be aware of the type of aloe vera. There are many varieties of aloe vera. Okay, so
no,
all are not good.
I wanted to add on here, like one day I was having aloe vera at my place, like we are having it in the pot or something. So I just cut it and I applied it on my face. The problem wasn't solved, it was, increased more.
Yeah.
So I
So that's
seriously,
what
I am not
saying that
aloe
not
vera.
every aloe vera is good. Okay, so there are n number of varieties of aloe vera. So we should
And it
not
depends
use.
also ki it's good for your skin or not. Sometimes it's not your skin oriented or kind of na, you can't say that ki aloe vera is your skin type or kind of. I would suggest over here, like, so ये भी हो सकता है कि आपकी स्किन के ऊपर वो अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा हो, किसी और की स्किन पे मे भी ज्यादा अफेक्ट करे. सो यहाँ पे स्किन टाइप कैसे हम लोग पता लगा सकते हैं किसका स्किन टाइप कैसा है? लाइक देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ स्किन टाइप. नेचुरल होता है, किसी का सॉफ्ट होता है, किसी का हार्ड होता है. सो कैसे स्किन टाइप कैसे जान सकते हैं?
Generally, we like dry skin, oily skin, or mixed skin. We see. So, oily skin you can easily make out. Like from the tip of nose, you can see that there is oil. You can see with tissue papers as well. If oil is coming, then it's an oily skin. Dry skin we can make out. People will always say that my skin is very dry, or if you touch, then you can feel it slightly. Roughness you can feel.
Roughness.
It's not very okay.
And dry skin is really much acne prone. Dry skin
oily skin is prone to acne.
Okay.
Oily skin is prone.
Okay. Fine.
Though we can see acne and dry skin as well, but acne is
Oily
more of
skin,
a.
I understand, but I have seen the people who are having dry skin, they can have aging problems really soon because wrinkles are the
You see
really
wrinkles early. That's why I advise that we should keep our skin hydrated.
Hydrated. That's why. और जिनकी एज हो चुकी है उनको रिंकल से बचने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? शुड दे गो फॉर द बोटॉक्स? यू विल सजेस्ट बोटॉक्स, वी डिस्कस्ड प्रीवियसली आल्सो. सो बोटॉक्स आपने मुझे बोला कि दैट इज लाइक वो स्किन का थोड़ा सा लाइक वट एवर यू सजेस्ट मी दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. तो क्या मतलब रिंकल्स से बचने के लिए बोटॉक्स जाना चाहिए? हाउ मच
Yeah, it
परसेंट?
will slow down aging if it is like because it reduces the action of muscle. So if you take it at proper duration, then gradually the need of Botox will be at longer duration. Like if initially you need it like every 6 months, then maybe later on you need it every 9 months, 1 year, or like that.
Yeah. Thank you so
So
much
it will slow down your aging.
to your precious advice, and thanks in loads to come and give your precious time to me and these peoples who are watching us and joining us. सो किसी का कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो अभी भी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख देते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स हैं, मैं उनको पढ़ना शुरू कर रही हूँ, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट लगेगा तो. यहाँ पे लारेब ने मुझे ज्वाइन किया था. हेलो लारेब. बिलाल हाय, हाउ आर यू? एंड आदित्य, योगेश, यहाँ पे शाहरुख ने ज्वाइन किया था. इन सब लोगों ने ज्वाइन करा है. पवन ने ज्वाइन करा है. एंड यस, थैंक यू सो मच. जितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन करा है उन सबको मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी ये लाइव सेक्शन जो है हम फेस ग्रुप की तरफ से रख रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले मैं उनका धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी जिन्होंने मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और आपको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया कि हम एक दूसरे से जुड़ सकें और लोगों को इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट जो मैसेज है वो दे सके रिगार्डिंग स्किन के बारे में हो या कोविड-19 के बारे में हो. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी मुस्ताक अंसारी जी का, और बिलाल का भी यहाँ पे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी. जितने भी लोग हैं जो हमें देख रहे हैं उन सबका भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी. सो आप सभी लोग ऐसे ही जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ में, कुछ ना कुछ एंटरटेनिंग और कुछ ना कुछ नॉलेज रिलेटेड हम लोग लेकर जरूर आएंगे. सो यहाँ पे वेरी मच थैंक्स टू ऑल. एंड कोई कुछ पूछना चाहता है तो मोस्ट वेलकम. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. तो ये लाइव
Thank you,
सेशन.
Jagrati. Thank you,
थैंक यू.
friends, and thank you, Face Group. Thanks.
एंड यहाँ पे रूपल ने यूजफुल एडवाइस. थैंक यू रूपल. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू रियली मच थैंक्स. लेट्स रैप अप. यस बिलाल, वी आर रैपिंग अप. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो माय वॉच. लाइक मैंने आज बहुत दिनों बाद वॉच पहनी है. सो दिस इज माय, आई मीन ऑल इज डन. सो थोड़ा सा इनफॉर्मल हो जाती, सोचा कोई बात नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल दी हैवी फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि ये लोग मुझे इतना फॉर्मल देखते नहीं है जितने लोगों ने आज मुझे देखा है ना. थैंक्स.